Hyundai is reinventing the wheel and the tire. Hello, I'm American Cars and Racing Executive Editor Gary Gastelou, and this is a car report. You know, Hyundai's got big plans for electric vehicles in the United States. It's already building the Genesis GV70 here, and it's going to be adding new factories and assembly lines around the country as it brings more models to market for itself and Kia. And some of them may have an interesting new technology called the Universal Wheel Drive System, or UniWheel, that Hyundai is developing for electric vehicles. What this does is take advantage of the empty space inside of a wheel by moving the gearing for the electric drive into that area. This will allow it to use smaller electric motors that are located closer to the wheels and connected by short drive shafts that don't need CV joints. All of the reduction gearing is handled within the wheel, which drives the wheel through a ring gear. Along with efficiency, Hyundai says the big advantage to this is packaging. You can open up a lot more space within the car for people and cargo. Really change the way electric vehicles look. It's nowhere near production just yet, but it is seriously thinking about adding it in the future. And it's got an idea to change the outside of the wheel as well. Actually, the tire, which it's redesigned to incorporate a deployable snow chain system, although it doesn't actually use chains. The tire is equipped with indentations that slice it up like a pizza or a pie, within which L-shaped strips of memory alloy sit until they're needed, at which point electricity activates them and has them extend beyond the surface of the tire to add traction in deep snow. When the electric current is cut, they shrink back down and the rubber takes over. It's a simplified way to deal with snow and ice on the move, and comes with a bonus because when the tire wears down to the point where it needs to be replaced, those metal strips are going to be protruding a little bit and making some noise to remind you that you need a fresh set of rubber. As for when you'll be able to get this fresh take on tires in the United States or anywhere in the world is yet to be seen. But if you subscribe to the American Cars and Racing YouTube channel, we'll let you know when we find out. And in the meantime, head on over to AmericanCarsandRacing.com for the latest automotive and racing news.